Nay, nay. Today we're making unicorn pie! Nay, nay! Nay, nay pie! First we're gonna line it with our cookies. Yum, yum, yummy, yum. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Easy. It even tastes like nay-nay.
How do you know what nay-nay tastes like? Have you eaten one?
No, I eaten their poop.
Ew.
We're gonna use the rest of this. It can't be so pretty. So if you have a little toddler, this is for their birthday. Your birthday. Ugh.
You can't just eat it. You gotta actually make it.
Now that the second layer is done, time for the third. Yum. Just keep going till you can't see the ice cream anymore. And I can still kind of see it. Almost done. One layer to go, which is sprinkles. Hee hee hee. Nene loves sprinkles. Birthday cake, birthday cake. Looks like a birthday cake. If there's still sprinkles in your jar, you didn't use enough. Done. Nay, nay. Yummy, yum, yum.
You gotta wait.